I tried the bigger battery, now I'm trying the smaller battery. But yeah, it's a little bit rough because it's been sitting and the corrosion and stuff from the road salt getting in the motor and the wires and stuff. But she goes. She got brakes too. Gotta have good brakes. Yeah, after putting that other bike together and then taking this motor off of it and putting the back wheel on there. Yeah, I gotta put air in the shock too. I'm rubbing on the knobbies. I gotta stand up. I think maybe just run it a little more and it'll get smoother and smoother as it goes. That little 6-amp battery. Yeah, it's definitely getting smoother now. Just gotta put air in the shock so I'm not rubbing my rack on the back tire. I only got it up to about 54 volts because somebody left a whole bunch of zip ties in the middle of the street. That's what it looked like anyway. My eyes are bad, but nope, that's what they are. Good. I could use those as a matter of fact. How about that? I find stuff on the road all the time. That one's broke, but scavenging all the time. Stick them in my pocket right there. And we're facing the right way. Well, maybe I'll take that wheel apart and clean it up. It's been about 3 years since I took that wheel apart, only because I broke a wire inside. But there it is.